Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys, and happy Tuesday. By the way, I'm not sure if you have following my YouTube video, but there were a couple of the orders that I ordered, and previously, I think 3 orders that did not come with the stickers, and then finally the last last 4 orders, 2 out of 4 orders that I did not get the sticker. And then I finally wrote them an email that I was very pissed off. And then to their customer service. And as you can see, Palace finally sent me some stickers. So I'm not sure how many stickers that they sent. So today I'm going to show you guys what they sent me. Okay. So they use a regular mail. As you can see, the stamps. So let's go ahead and then get this open. Hopefully some good stuff. Wow, look at this. Ooh. Pronto Palace. I never got the stickers before. Wow. It's interesting. Nice. I got the t-shirt, but I didn't get this. I'm not sure. I probably did not get this sticker, but anyway, that's one sticker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm glad they finally sent me some stickers because last time I did a complaint about the 3 orders that I did not get stickers. And all the customer service did was, oh, I'm sorry, just sorry. They didn't want to send me the stickers, so it's kind of stupid. That's why customer file complaints so they could send, customer could have their stickers. So I'm not sure why last time, the first time I filed a complaint, they did not want to send it to me. But anyway, I'm finally glad that they finally ship me these stickers. Okay. Anyways, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification and drop any comments on below. And if you guys need help on how to send an email, I sent them through the email. I didn't call them directly, so that's how I got these decals for free. All right. So I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace